Chinese investors are the biggest foreign buyers of U.S. property, but now it's not just individual investors who want to get in. Chinese companies are also pouring billions to build in America, and they're counting on Chinese buyers to fill up their U.S. properties. As of last year, Chinese firms invested a record total of $20.5 billion here in United States real estate, according to the American Enterprise Institute. For example, Oceanwide Real Estate Development has invested $1.2 billion in 5 U.S. cities. Listen where the chairman and CEO of that company sees the biggest opportunities here in the U.S.
We will continue to invest in promising projects in areas in the United States where we see good economic growth. In Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, Hawaii, and Sonoma. The Chinese domestic market has gone from the golden age to the silver age, meaning the fast growth period may have passed. But the U.S. market is stable and mature, and the government is encouraging Chinese companies to invest overseas.
High net worth Chinese clients are a big focus for Dongzheng and Oceanwide, but so are Americans. As far as the slowdown in demand from Chinese buyers in the U.S., he doesn't see it. Let's chat more about this with Jacky Teplitzky with Douglas Elliman. She sold more than $1 billion in New York and Miami real estate, many of them to Chinese clients. Jacky, great to have you with us. There's all this talk in the market about a potential slowdown in China. Are you seeing any evidence in terms of a slowdown in interest on the part of Chinese buyers here?
No, not at the moment. What I'm seeing is maybe a little bit of a shift. We are not seeing so much the Chinese buyers that were looking into the trophy properties like we did several years ago when the great wealth was initially created. That's why I do agree with what was said right now, that the golden age, maybe it's past, but now we are in the silver age. So what we're seeing now is people coming in and investing between $1 and $5 million in properties here in the city in Manhattan, but also actually in the North Shore of Long Island.
You would be surprised. School systems are very good.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're the exclusive broker for 135 West 52nd Street. It's a luxury condominium building where 70 to 80% of clients are, in fact, Chinese. How do you advertise? Do you go directly to China to advertise, or is it through ads here in the United States that target Chinese buyers who are visiting?
Well, at 135 West 52nd Street, I'm part of a large team. And within our team, we also have a Chinese descent salesperson. So the whole idea is that you do all of the above. You market here locally because you have a lot of Chinese buyers already here. And also you go directly to the source in China, and you also try to select different publications that they read. But it also goes word to mouth. You know, if you're very happy with the building, in this building you have a 75-foot pool. You have a golf simulator.
And they mean the Chinese. They like new. They like not lived in. They like amenities. They like the luxury.
Exactly. And what they do is they like also not to have a cookie cutter apartment. At 135 West 52nd, each apartment is very unique.